Hey guys, we're here again today at Hardracing working on our Kawasaki Z125 Pro project bike, and today we're going to be installing this custom LED integrated taillight. Integrated meaning the turn signals are built into the taillight. It's really easy to install, plug and play. Comes with OEM fit connectors, and we'll show you. It's quick and simple to do, and the nice thing about this one is it's fully programmable. You can set it up for different brightnesses of the light. It's all in here in the directions, but basically you have the brightness of the lights and the amount of flashing they do, how bright the running light is, how bright the brake light is, and what kind of braking it does. Do you want just solid or flash, or there's just a ton of different programming options you have for this taillight. So it's definitely different than a lot of the other ones out there. It's super nice, high quality, bright LEDs, which is what you want for a taillight and brake light, and integrated turn signals, and it's very easy to install. We'll show you that today. And the one thing to note though, with any LEDs on the Z125, whether it's taillights, turn signals, whatever, if you install an LED turn signals or an LED integrated taillight, you must install the HD relay. We have a separate video on doing that. It's really easy and straightforward. It's not very much money, but you have to do that on any kind of LED swap out for the turn signals on the Z125. So be sure to check out that video as well if you're going to do this taillight or any kind of LED turn signals on the Z125.
So first step in swapping out the taillight is pulling off the seat. So next you want to unplug the taillight wires, and then go over to the other side and unplug your turn signal wires. As you can see, we've already done so because we've already removed our rear fender. So next step is to remove these two push pins right here. So to do that, you push in the center of it and then push up from the back, and it pops right out. And next, remove the top cover. Alright, and these two screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. So next you want to remove these two side panels, and that involves unscrewing these two here, and then little pop rivet on the bottom. And we've already done it on the other side. So next is removing the actual taillight, which is a pain in the butt. So what you have to do is you have to pry it from these side pieces, and there's a channel under here, and once you pry them from those side pieces, it'll allow you to get it up and over those little points right here sticking up. So next, go ahead and remove the rubber grommets from the stock taillight, because you are going to reuse these in the new taillight. So next you're going to take these rubber grommets and install them on the new taillight. So next you're going to go ahead and install the taillight, making sure that the turn signal wires go to the right and the taillight plug goes to the left. So I'm going to show you how it gets routed from the taillight to the taillight plug. Alright, and this is how you'll run the turn signal wires. Brown to black and green to gray. And they mount up underneath the frame instead of the factory prongs. Alright, and this is your program wire. This is what you connect the blaster switch that came with your kit, your taillight. to program the taillight. All right, and here's what it looks like. So for more information on this product and other products that we'll be installing on the Z125, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll have more products that we'll be adding as we get more products in for this bike. You can go to our website, hardracing.com. You can also join us on the forums. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And you can also send us an email. Just go to our website. Again, it's hardracing.com, and we'll get you taken care of.